Let me show you how to tie the perfection loop. I've made you a little diagram. Feel free to take a screenshot and use it on your phone so you have it for a later date. But for the perfection loop, you make a loop, you make another loop around, and then your tag end goes in between the two loops, and you pull the second loop through the first, and then make sure it seats properly. Sometimes this can take a little bit of getting used to, but once you master it, you're gonna be able to tie this thing within seconds. Now let's do that one more time, and I won't talk so that you can focus. This knot is also great for attaching your hook. Down in Baja, they call it the Baja Knot, so it allows the hook to have more movement. So if you have a live bait on there, it doesn't restrict the fish from moving. But as you can see, once you make the first loop, you put the hook on the second loop and then pull the hook through the first, and then you have yourself a nice, secure loop knot. And once you make your knot, make sure you clip your tag end. But as you can see here, with that loop, you now have a lot of motion, which works great for fly lining baits. Let's move on to the next one where you can make a loop-to-loop knot. This is popular in fly fishing. You have two perfection loops on two different strands, and then you put them so that they make this figure 8. What's nice about this loop-to-loop connection is that it's very sturdy, but it's also very easy to replace. Whenever you're done with it, or you want to swap it out, say you want to switch your leader, you can just push it together and swap it out. It's not that difficult. Well, now that you're a perfection loop master, do me a huge favor and smash that like button, subscribe for more, and if you like practicing knots, check out this one next.